Did you know about the toughest organism to kill? Not a mosquito, not a bug. Hey, wait, are you thinking about cockroaches? Really not. The answer is tardigrades. Tardigrades are the toughest organism to kill. The size of the tardigrades are just 0.5 millimeter. It is easily seen under low-power microscope. Like our nickname, it also have a nickname called water bear. The name is due to its appearance like bear, and its habitat of living in water. The tardigrades have ability to live in any critical conditions like erupting volcanoes, peak of Himalaya, deep water, space, or even in liquid nitrogen. They had a ability to live for 2 to 4 years. They can survive conditions like high pressure, high radiation, dehydration, starvation, high temperature. Normally, in these conditions other organisms will be killed easily. That means, you can cook them without killing them. They do these things by simple strategy. That is, dehydration. They can survive any extinction. The other mind-blowing feature is, they can survive in Mars, for which humans are struggling now. They don't adapt to the situation, but they can curl up and sustain until bad situation ends. That means, when there is dehydration, it curls up and take its 8 legs in. When the water is available, it come to its normal state. During this process, they produce a special molecule, which fill throughout the cell. This stops its metabolism, including DNA synthesis. They can even live in the vacuum, without air. You can easily find tardigrades in soil with microscope. The only good thing about tardigrades is they are less harmful to humans. Oh, thank God. By these features the tardigrades are the first organisms to survive in space. Okay, I think you have learned something from this video. A waiting moment. The question of the day is, are humans came from monkey? My answer is, no. If you want to know answer with proof, subscribe Knowledge Meals now. It unlocks your brain. Bye. Keep in touch.